Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch with an Android phone. Unfortunately, the Apple Watch is primarily designed to work seamlessly with an iPhone, offering a deeply integrated experience. Direct pairing with an Android device is not officially supported by Apple. While some users explore unofficial methods, these often come with significant limitations regarding features and reliability. For the best and most complete experience, an iPhone remains essential for initial setup and ongoing updates. The core challenge lies in Apple's closed ecosystem, which ensures tight integration between its devices. watchOS, the operating system for the Apple Watch, relies heavily on iOS for many of its core functions, including notifications, app management, and data synchronization. Simply pairing via Bluetooth is insufficient to unlock the watch's full potential. Features like Apple Pay, iMessage, and comprehensive health tracking are deeply embedded within the iOS framework. While direct pairing is not possible, some users try an unofficial workaround. This involves initially pairing and activating the Apple Watch with an iPhone. Once activated, the watch might maintain a basic Bluetooth connection to an Android phone, potentially receiving some notifications. However, critical features such as installing new apps, making Apple Pay payments, or syncing comprehensive health data will not function. Software updates also require an iPhone connection. In conclusion, for the full, rich experience and complete functionality of an Apple Watch, an iPhone is truly indispensable. Attempting to use it with an Android phone will severely limit its capabilities and lead to frustration. If you primarily use an Android phone, we highly recommend exploring smartwatches specifically designed for the Android ecosystem, such as the Samsung Galaxy Watch or the Google Pixel Watch, to ensure seamless integration and full feature access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.